Thank you for selecting the Commissional Sentencing's SGS Web Prior Record Score Module video. This video will provide a brief overview of the dashboard and how to complete the Prior Record Score module within the Commission's SGS Web application. After logging into JNet in the Commission's SGS Web application, the digital dashboard will appear. To search for a case, click on the Judicial Proceedings tab on the left-hand navigation bar. Select specific search criteria and click on the Search button. Once the case appears within the digital dashboard, click on the PRS box. There are two ways to create a prior record score worksheet. Individuals can 1. Complete a new worksheet, or 2. Copy an existing worksheet from a previously submitted judicial proceeding. If a prior record score worksheet already exists for the offender based on a matching SID, SGS Web will display the following message: Existing PRS for offenders with the same SID. To view the existing worksheet, click on the link to the offender's last name. To copy the existing worksheet into the current judicial proceeding, click the Copy button. To create a new prior record score worksheet, click the New PRS button. This method can be used whether or not there is an existing prior record score worksheet. After all of the prior juvenile adjudications and/or adult convictions are entered, tab over or click the mouse in another field to trigger the automatic calculation of the prior record score. The calculation results will now be displayed at the bottom of the screen. This example has 2 other misdemeanor offenses selected, which results in a prior record score of 1. At the bottom of the prior record score worksheet, determine whether the offender was crime-free from age 18 to 28 by selecting Yes or No in the drop-down box. The definition of crime-free includes any summary offense and/or one misdemeanor offense with a statutory maximum of 1 year or less. There are 2 columns: juvenile adjudications lapse and juvenile adjudications do not lapse. Juvenile adjudications do not lapse unless Yes is selected. These columns pertain to the juvenile lapsing provision in the sentencing guidelines. 4-point offenses will never lapse. SGS Web will determine the lapsing of juvenile adjudications upon entry of the offense date. After all of the prior record score information is entered, click the Save button. Now click the PRS Complete button. This is the final step in completing the prior record score module. For additional SGS Web related information, please visit the Commission's website at pasentencing.us. From the home page, select SGS Web. Under the drop-down menu, select SGS Web Help Desk to obtain the Help Desk information, or select SGS Web Documentation for a list of SGS Web-related references. To submit a request to the Help Desk, click on the SGS Web Help Desk portal button. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.